Multiple accounts get flagged and banned as soon as they go live. IP and device mismatches causing instant suspensions. Today, I will show you through configuring BitcloudPhone plus IPFoxy Proxies to set up authentic multi-account mobile profile. First, register and log into your account on the IPFoxy website. New users can get free proxies when they register. Then go to the IPFoxy page and select the proxy type you need based on your business type. Then select the proxy location, proxy package, and pay to obtain the proxy. New users can obtain free proxies directly here. Go to the corresponding proxy management page from the left sidebar. Make sure that the proxy is set to the SOCKS 5 protocol. You can switch between protocols. Then click on Proxy Information, and in the pop-up Proxy Configuration Information box, click to copy. Now, log into Bit Browser and go to the CloudPhone Management page from the left sidebar. Click Add. Start configuring the proxy after configuring the basic settings. Paste the proxy information you just copied into the host field, click on the blank space, and the proxy information will be automatically configured. Then check Proxy and click Confirm. Then you just need to click to open it, and you can operate it on this cloud phone. You can repeat this process several times to log into multiple TikTok accounts on one panel.